Hello, this is an example of nested gallery. So this is how I would do it. So let's say we have this data in here. So these are just headers. I made it using this. Disregard the width because initially I thought I'm gonna do some dynamic width, making some columns smaller than the others, but apparently I was wrong. In horizontal galleries, it's not possible to make dynamic width. It only applies to vertical galleries where we can do uh, sizing of different sizing of heights of the rows. So yeah, disregard that one. So on the data, what I did is to do this kind of filter. You'd probably have to filter the data for this row, and then for this gallery, you just do something like this, like column name, this one. Then I like doing customization, so I just want to show you how to do it like this. Like maybe you want something like a different color for this column, so that's how it can go. And then lastly, because sometimes I want the title to be like maybe longer, so I have more, so I remove it from the gallery and like give it a bit more width. So like that. So that's the good thing about this, but it's not really nice if you have more data because what happens is that let's say your screen gets full, see, you only have this scroll bar in here, but you might have problem on how you want to scroll it down. So just like let's play it. So you can probably do something like that, but let's make the screen more visible. So here, so it doesn't move together. So it's one of the UI disadvantages that you're gonna face if you're gonna continue on doing this. And one more thing, let's say you want to stretch this one. So like let's try setting up something like let's say our horizontal line is this, like we just fit it like we want to make it full. But what happened is that if your vertical line has reached us, like let's say see this is our vertical gallery. So if horizontal gallery, even if horizontal gallery exceeds the width of the vertical gallery, it doesn't show a scroll bar going down because vertical gallery is only designed to have a like this one, this vertical scroll bar here. It doesn't have a horizontal scroll bar, so that's really something that you have to look through when using this one because UI wise it's not good enough for what your requirement seems to look like.